shut my door.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued
Doubleheader.
a severe thunderstorm warning for
Wait.
southwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Greene County in central Kentucky, southeastern Shelby County in central Kentucky, Nelson County central Kentucky, Hart County in central Kentucky, northwestern Taylor County in central Kentucky, southeastern Grayson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, northern Hudson County in south central Kentucky until 6:45 a.m. Standard Time.
Oh my god.
45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the Standard Time. Or 5:16 a.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Hodgenville to 9 miles north of Brownsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Indicated threat. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts.
Oh.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Locations following attacks are expected damage to Lawrenceburg, Springfield, Taylorsville. Locations impacted include Hodgenville, Munfordville, Forest Cave, New Haven, Loretto, Upton, Sonora, Bourneville, Raven, and Burke Spring. A tornado watch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch also remains until 9 a.m.
98.3 just went off. They're about to do a doubleheader on there.
Central Kentucky. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
This morning from the National Weather
Issued
Service.
at 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3:06.
There it is.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Greene County in central Kentucky, LaRue County in central Kentucky, northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, Hart County in central Kentucky, northwestern Taylor County in central Kentucky, southeastern Grayson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, northern Edmonson County in south central Kentucky until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:16 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5:16 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Hodgenville to 9 miles north of Brownsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hodgenville, Munfordville, Horse Cave,
It includes
New
me.
Haven, Loretto, Upton, Sonora, Bourneville, Rain.